Hi, this is Amos Tarfa. I'm just going to answer a quick question about times tables. Times tables are very important in mathematics. This is a times table from 1 to 15. And people might be wondering, what times table system should I use? Should I learn from just 1 to 12, or should I learn from 1 to 15? Or what if should I even go from 1 to 20? So I want to answer the question about times tables with regards to that. So first of all, most places, like I grew up in Nigeria, and we use 1 to 12. That's, you need to know 12 times 12 is 144. So basically from 1 to 12, you'll be good to go. If you go up to 15, you'll be doing way more work than most people do. And honestly, at the level where you would need to know some of those details, calculators are probably allowed. So this is maybe algebra 2, where you're doing a topic called the difference of two squares or the addition of two squares. The addition of two cubes. Addition of two squares is prime, so you can't do anything with it. But basically, children should know their times table all the way to 12. They can use the song we used in Nigeria. It sounded something like 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 5, 10, 2 times 6, 12, 2 times 7, 14, 2 times 8, 16, 2 times 9, 18, 2 times 10, 20, 2 times 11, 22, 2 times 12, 24. We used to sing that song in 3rd grade all the time. Now, if you're much older than 3rd grade and you feel sad that you don't know the times table, that's okay. Make it a plan where you're diligently learning your times table. So make sure you work on your times table, whatever you need to do that. Okay, so that's what I would recommend, learning it all the way to 12. Please, teachers, we need to encourage our students to know their times table, and we need to stop this idea of, they can just use a calculator or whatever. No, they need to learn it to 12. They need to have number sense and be able to approximate well. Okay, with that said, what about other things other than just 1 to 12? Well, I think you need to know your cubes all the way to 5. So for example, you should know 1 times 1 times 1, 2 times 2 times 2, 3 times 3 times 3, 4 times 4 times 4, and 5 times 5 times 5. So we should know that. That'll be very important in our work. So should we do times tables all the way to 15? I don't think it's necessary. I do think you should know your squares, right? 15 times 15 is 225. So it's good to know your squares at least to about 15. Ideally, we should know our squares from 1 to 20. That would be like golden. If you know your squares from 1 to 20, that's excellent. And then you should know your times table from 1 to 12, and then you should know your squares. So know your squares from 1 to 20 if possible, especially if you're in 7th grade and above. Know your times table to 12, and then just keep working on your number sense. Just like athletes don't take a break in the summer, math students should not take a break in the summer. Keep working on thinking through math problems, okay? I hope this was helpful. Please subscribe for more videos like this. We're going to be doing a lot more with math education and math curriculum. We have a curriculum called Inspirational Mathematics 1, 2, and 3, where we take 9 years of math and we teach it in 3 years. And you could do that and get ahead, do calculus, figure out your career path. We help students with all that. So my name is Amos Tarfa, Director of LifeSTEM Academy and the Learning Institute for Excellence in Minnesota and North Dakota. Feel free to email me if you have any questions about math education. Also, feel free to subscribe to our podcast, Education and Faith, and talking about excellence in education. So those episodes will be coming out regularly. I just recorded my first sample episode on our channel, LifeSTEM Academics and LifeSTEM Academy. Feel free to subscribe there as well. Take care. Have a blessed day.